show you how to scan documents as a PDF on your iPhone. So to do this, first open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can also download it from the App Store for completely free. Once you are here, tap on the scan option at the bottom right corner. So this will open this camera app. Now you can simply point your phone towards the document and it will automatically detect it. So you can repeat this to scan all the pages one by one. So as you can see, I don't have to press the shutter button. It is automatically scanning the pages. You can then tap on this preview option to make changes to the scan. So you can use this option to adjust the borders or apply filters or even delete an accidental scan. Now go back. Once you are satisfied, tap on the save option at the bottom right corner. Now it will ask you where you want to save the PDF. Simply hit upload and your PDF will be saved. You can then tap on it to view the PDF. So this is how it appears. You can then share it with anyone you like. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.